Removing old shower doors is the easy part of a bathroom update. You simply lift the doors out of their tracks and remove the screws holding the tracks to the tile walls. The hard part is cleaning up the mess that's left behind. The gobs of sealant and adhesive left on the walls and edge of the tub can usually be scraped off with a putty knife or window scraper. The holes left in the tile are a little more difficult to hide. The damaged tiles must be replaced, so start by removing the grout around each of them. For this job, you can use a rotary tool with a grout removal bit or a manual carbide-tipped grout scraper. The manual tool will afford you more control and less chance of damaging the surrounding tile. To remove the tile itself, you will need to break it by tapping it with a chisel so you can pry out all the pieces. Again, being careful not to damage surrounding tiles or the substrate below the tile. The tiles you use to fill the void should match in size and thickness, but if you can't find a matching color, use a contrasting color to add a different design element to the surround. Use a pre-mixed acrylic tile setting mastic applied to the back of each tile with a notch trowel. The size and the spacing of the notches on the trowel will be determined by the size of the tiles. Then place each tile into a void, being careful to remove excess mastic before it dries. A light tap with a rubber mallet will help seat the tile. Since matching the color of the grout is also a challenge, it's best to lightly scrape all of the remaining grout in the surround and replace it with the same color. Using a rubber grout float to force it into the crevices and wipe the surface clean with a wet sponge. The result is an old shower surround that looks brand new at a fraction of the cost.